two leading AI platforms, one for text, one for video. Which one really delivers? On the left, Copy.ai, the powerhouse for copywriting and content. And on the right, Pika Labs, turning text into dynamic AI-powered videos. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you.
Here's our game plan, a little mind map of what we're going to compare. Use case, and who these are really for. Creativity, because, let's be honest, AI can get weird. Pricing, editing and customization, and then speed plus accessibility. So, you can see where each really shines, or doesn't.
First up, use case. So Copy.ai is basically your go-to if you need short-form copy, ads, snappy captions, or like anything marketing. Over 90 templates, and 25 plus languages. No joke. But if you ask it for video, nope, not happening. And sometimes the long-form stuff gets a little sluggish. Plus, the stats it throws out aren't always super accurate, which is kind of a bummer. Now, Pika Labs. This one's all about turning your words, literally any text, into videos. Supernatural motion, lots of fun for social clips, and you can even use images or vids and remix them. But, and this is a real thing, the free tier's capped at just 3 seconds per video. Like, blink and you'll miss it. Also, you might have to queue during peak times, which can be kind of annoying. Honestly, each nails their main use case, so in this round, it's a tie. All right, let's talk creativity. So, Copy.ai, unlimited word count. You can just keep going and going. Freestyle mode's pretty sick for coming up with random ideas. But it's all template-based, so the actual output definitely not going to win any design awards. And you can't tell the AI, like, just tweak this one line, which can be frustrating. Now, Pika Labs, this is where things get spicy. You get visual storytelling, wild camera angles, style customization. The community's always dropping new ideas, too. Sure, some features still feel a little early beta, and if your prompt's complicated, you might have to try a few times. But honestly, for creativity, Pika Labs just feels more exciting. Winner here is Pika Labs. Let's jump to pricing, because who isn't watching their wallet these days? Copy.ai gives you unlimited projects on a free plan. Love that. And no weird credit limits. But the Pro plan is kinda pricey at $36 to $49 a month, especially since it won't help you make videos. Over on Pika Labs, you get 250 credits up front, for free. Plus, they refill 30 credits every day. Paid stuff starts at just $8 a month, which is way easier to swallow. And no need for fancy hardware. Just open your browser. Now, the flip side, you only get very short video clips on the free plan, so credits can disappear fast if you're a video addict. But overall, Pika Labs takes the win here for sure. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know AI video tools like Pika Labs don't just do visuals? They can actually whip up sound effects, too. Seriously, stuff like ambient backgrounds, all from your prompt. It's not just moving pixels, it's the whole experience. Let's move to editing and customization. Copy.ai makes text revision a breeze. Regenerate, edit, swap templates. If you need to jam out a bunch of ad copy, it'll save your life. But it stops at text. You don't get tools for video or visuals, and collabs are sadly missing. Meanwhile, Pika Labs lets you pull reference images, tweak aspect ratios, and even transform existing videos. That's pretty wild. Now, some advanced editing is coming soon, and sometimes you still have to manually fix things. So neither platform's perfect on this front. I think it's a tie here. Finally, speed and accessibility. Copy.ai is just rapid. Type your prompt, boom, instant copy. The site feels clean, super easy to use. The only catch, long stuff can slow it down a bit. Pika Labs gives you access through both web and Discord, which is actually kind of cool if you're hanging out with other creators. The community's massive, so you've always got someone to help. But queue times for video are a thing, and credits mean you're sometimes just waiting. So for sheer speed and ease, Copy.ai wins hands down. If you mapped out the scores, you'd see Copy.ai dominating text stuff, while Pika Labs stretches creativity and pricing way further. Editing? Pretty neck and neck. So there's a clear spread depending what you value most. So here's my 2 cents. Copy.ai, if you need content and copywriting, maybe you run a business, you're turning out social posts, or just want a killer ad, this thing rules. Now, if your vibe is super creative, you want to make short videos, animate your stories, or literally show off your ideas, Pika Labs is for you. They're both leaders, but for totally different reasons. If you have to choose, just think about whether you need words or you want motion. If you found this helpful, definitely bookmark this showdown, share your go-to tool with the squad, and let us know what you're making next. Catch you in the next one.